Good evening to our viewers. We shall be starting in just a short while. Very warm welcome to everyone on the channel. Just give us a minute as we start the video, and a welcome to all our audience who have joined us on Zoom and
Good evening,
on Facebook.
everyone, and welcome to another episode of Glyphs. We shall be starting in just a short while. And until then,
Until we start, we
a
would love to
request
know
to all
where
our
all of you are
joinees
from.
on Zoom and on
Do
Facebook.
put in your names,
Do put in
and
your
the
name
place, the
and
city
the
and the
passion
country
that is
where
close
all of
to
you
your
have
heart,
joined in
the passion
on
that
our
makes
chat
you
box.
smile. We would love to connect with all of you.
We would love to connect with all of you, and again, a very warm welcome to all of you on our channel Glyphs.
You can see on the screen the QR code, which you can scan and become a part of our Glyphs community. Again, a very good evening. Welcome, and we shall start in just a short while.
Welcome, Shalini and Harish.
Very good evening to all our viewers who have joined us on Zoom and on Facebook. Welcome to Glyphs. For the first time ever in the world, Glyphs is presenting the Passion Awards. Tune in tomorrow, Friday on the 14th of August 2020 at 6 o'clock to witness a beautiful evening with the winners from the participants of our past 30 episodes. So audience, get ready as we talk to our guests today. One who has the passion of sculpting and the other who has the passion of playing the saxophone. To the audience, we will be recording this episode for quality purposes. Glyphs essentially means the representation of a character. And what better way there is to identify what a person truly is than
Ganpati
to
Bappa
observe
Moria.
what he loves
Since
from
this
within
channel
him.
is all about passion,
And that's why the name
and the biggest
Glyphs.
passion right now
It
is
also
Ganpati
stands for
Bappa
being a
and
symbol
Modaks.
that represents
It is only
something
apt
beyond the face
that we
value.
start this
The
episode
three
with a
symbols
Ganesh
or the three
Aarti.
glyphs that you saw in the
I
logo
invite Ravindra
represent what
Shivsagar
the concept
to
is all
perform the
about.
Aarti. Ravindra, over to
They
you.
stand for Create, Connect, and Express, or CCE. Like we all know, #Passion Matters. Glyphs is a channel where you indulge in to identify the passion created within you Connect with each other and openly and ingenuously express your thoughts and passions. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of like-minded people who share a common drive for passion. Passion is the force that motivates you to achieve success and happiness to build a better life. It is something that allows you to be inherently yourself. Your passion can be music, singing, photography, painting, playing an instrument, or even something as different as collecting items, cycling, or sports. This might be something that you are not necessarily doing as your work. In fact, it is better if you have a passion that helps you unwind and enjoy your own company. The GLIFS community is meant to encourage us to keep pursuing our passions. It is a global community who see, learn, and appreciate the things that we do. It is also an avenue where you can showcase your own passion and also be inspired to explore a new passion. You know you got it. We know you got it. Now, let the world know you got it. And that's exactly what we are here to do. Create, connect, and express. So again, a very warm welcome to yet another lovely evening on this lovely channel, GLIFS CCE. I am your host, Kavita Awasthi, and I welcome all of you to our 33rd episode, where we showcase your passion to the world. To the audience, keep the chat box alive with your comments and appreciation. And to our viewers on Facebook, we are listening to you too. So please feel free to put your comments. We would love to connect with each and every one of you. Time to talk to our first guest. Most of the times it is thought that to master a particular art, you have to really be formally trained in it. Mahesh Anzarlegar, a sculptor who has busted this myth. An artist who has been trained by his father and comes from a potter's family. Mahesh has been following the passion of sculpting since the year 2015. He is actually into advertising, and he says that after completing an assignment, he rejuvenates for the next one by creating a sculpture. Even while working, he says, he has his clay right next to him.
All our
And
viewers
sometimes
in
he
India
creates
and
it
from
even
across the
while
globe.
he is in the middle of
Thank
an
you,
assignment.
Ravindra, and to our audience.
So Mahesh,
stay
like I
tuned
said,
as we talk
no
to
formal
our guests,
education and
both
yet
of whom
so
are
much
good
passion.
at footwork.
How were your formative
their
years
feet
in learning
for the
this art?
respective
We would love to
professions,
know from you. Over to you,
respective
Mahesh.
passions, running and dancing. To the audience, we will be recording this episode for quality purposes. GLIFS essentially means the representation of a character.
Yes, Mahesh, over to you.
And what better way there is
Good
to
evening,
identify what a person
and hello.
truly is
Namaskar.
than to observe what he loves.
Thanks for joining
from
this
within him.
online
And
talk
that's why the name
where I'm going to
GLIFS.
share my
It
sculptural
also stands
journey.
for being a symbol
Uh,
that represents
Kavita,
something
As
beyond
I
the face value.
told
The
you,
three symbols
I'm not a
or the three glyphs
academically
that you
trained
saw in the
sculptor.
logo
I never
represent
gone to
what the
any art
concept
school for
is all about.
get training for this
They stand
sculptures.
for
Yes, I went to
create,
art school, but for other
connect,
purpose.
or
But
express.
here I learn
Or
everything, whatever I am
CCE.
doing is from my
Like we
father.
all know,
My father was a good
hashtag
artist,
passion matters.
and he started one small
GLIFS is
workshop
a channel where
for
you
making
indulge in
Ganpati. As you know,
to
I'm
identify
a
the
Potter's
passion
family.
created within
So
you, connect
we
with
started
each
that.
other,
He started
and
that, and
openly
then
and
at the age of 4
ingenuously
5, I was just
express your
I was
thoughts
kid and was
passions.
enjoying that whatever material which
The
is
purpose
available.
of this
I was
channel
experimenting.
is to
I
create a
was
community of
imitating my father,
like-minded people
whatever he do.
who share
And
a
as I
common
grew
drive for
6
passion.
7 years, I started
Passion is that force that
capturing that
motivates you to
forms,
achieve
whatever
success
he does.
and happiness,
So it was
to
a
build
really
a better
organic
life.
learning for
It
me.
is
He
something
never
that
taught
allows you
you
to
have to
be
do like this or that.
inherently
But and
yourself.
then
Your
that
passion
gives
can be
me
singing,
creating my
photography,
own world.
painting,
So
playing an
by
instrument,
8 or
or
10
something
years,
as different
I
as
started
collecting
helping
items,
him to
cycling,
do
or
small
sports.
to do
This
some
might be
small
something that you are not
Ganesh idols
necessarily
or
doing
finishing
as your
something
work.
like that. By
In
10, I
fact,
think I was
if you have
ready
a passion
to
that
take
helps you
entire
unwind and enjoy your own company,
entire
even better.
responsibility of our workshop
The
on
Glyphs
my shoulder.
community is meant
So
to encourage us
from
to
that,
keep
I was
pursuing our
doing
passions.
a lot of
It is a global community
Ganesh Murti.
who sees,
So in my
learns,
structure,
and
was Ganesha
appreciates the
is
things
a
that
major
we do.
contribution. See,
It is also an
second
avenue
thing,
where you can showcase your
when
own
I
passion
when I
and
got
also
some
be
basic
inspired
information or
to
basic
explore a new
understanding
passion.
of doing clay, handling clay.
You know you got it.
This,
We know you got
see,
it.
basically,
Now,
many people
let
or
the
many
world know you got
people,
it.
they
And
do
that's
Ganesh
exactly what we
Murti
are here
from
to
the
do.
mold, and
Create,
that is not
connect,
challenging
and so again,
my
welcome to
art,
another beautiful
right? Because
evening on our
anybody
channel
can do
Glyphs
from that side.
CCE.
So I
I am
encourage
your
people
host Kavita
who
Avasti,
can give me
and I
more
welcome
challenges
all of
works.
you
So
to the
in
36th
Harne,
episode
Konkan
of this
area,
wonderful channel
we
where
have
we
a very
showcase your
large
passion.
family
To the audience,
community
keep
of
the chat box
fishermen,
alive with your
right?
comments,
So
with your
they
appreciation,
gives that
and
opportunity.
to our viewers on
they comes
Facebook
with,
too.
see,
We are
normally
listening to you.
we
So
do
please
around
feel free to put your
100
comments and appreciation
Ganpati
on the
at a
Facebook
time,
page,
from right
which
from the
is
June
live
to
right now.
September. But 100 Ganesh
They
Murti means
say
not 100
if
Ganesh
it
Murti,
doesn't
because
challenge
each
you,
and every
it
Ganpati has
won't
got an
change you.
entire story.
And
The
when this
fishermen, they
challenge
comes with their
becomes
idea.
more of
Okay,
a
we
mind
want to
challenge
show
than a
that
body challenge,
Draupadi
that's when a
Vastraharan.
strong
So
passion is there.
then five
Gio
Pandavas,
Thomas, an
two
avid
Kauravas,
marathoner
then
who
Krishna,
challenged
and
his
then
life and
Ganpati.
controlled
So
his
around
mind
8,
to an
10
extent that it
idols will be
changed
there.
his life.
So entirely, if you count, is more
Gio
than
started
500.
running in August
And
2017,
every
and he hasn't
story, every
stopped
narration
since.
is different. So you cannot
Something
use
that
a
had started
mold.
with a
So
challenge
I
given to
learn
him
a lot of things. Means
soon turned
per
into
day,
a
I think
passion,
I
and
have to
now,
construct around
after
7,
3
8
years, come rain, storm, or
forms
sunshine,
from the just
most
from
days
the
of his
clay.
daily
So
schedule
that gives
begin
me great
with a run.
opportunity to explore my forms
So,
and
Gio, we do know that
master
running
on
is a
the
good
coiling
form of
systems,
exercise.
because
We know that in this
in
phase of
Ganesha
Corona,
you cannot
people
do
with high immunity and
solid
good stamina have fared
idle.
well.
True.
Yeah, it
So,
has
in
to
these
be
last 3 years of
what
running,
is
just
that,
3
hollow
years,
from inside.
how
So
did
that
your
will save
passion
your
become
clay,
so
and
strong? And
it
how
will
has
go,
this
give more
passion
strength.
helped you? We would
So
love to know
coiling
from you.
system I learned
Gio,
from
over
that,
to you.
and then it gradually,
Happy morning, Kavita ma'am.
gradually I trained
This is how
like
a runner
a complete
actually wishes.
Then after
It all
10th,
started
after
with
12th,
a
I
challenge I
joined
gave
art
to my
school,
mentor
where
Narendra
my
Godani of Life
specialization was
School.
applied art.
It was in
But
August
okay, again
2017
that
where
applied
I
art
told
helped
him
me,
that I will
because
be running
there
my
were a
first
lot of
half marathon.
detailing.
But if you see before
Detailing,
that, I
we
tried
lot of
running
you
twice,
take
and
a
both the
lot of
time I had a knee injury,
references.
and I thought
So
maybe
in
running
I
is not my
added that,
passion.
means it was a next
I left it.
generation implementation
Even
of the
before that,
whatever
it
technology
so
you have.
happened that I
So
had
suppose I
jaundice, I
want
got
to
chicken pox,
make
and
a
4 years back
Ganpati
it was
on a
dengue.
fish.
And
So I
after
take
dengue,
a
the problem
reference,
was like
right?
my
Suppose I want
immunity
to
was totally
make
down.
a
And every 2 or
Ganpati in
3
some other
months,
thing.
I
So
had to have
always I
antibiotics.
go for the
And it
reference.
was such a
And
bad
I
time
will
for
tell you
me.
one fun part.
It was such a depressing time for me
See,
because I could not
somebody
concentrate on
suppose
my
come to,
business.
okay, I want a Ganpati on the
Somewhere
fish.
that's when
So
this
we
course
we
happened
are
with Narendra
fish
Godani
eater.
sir, Life School.
So
And
we
I
ask
took
them
that challenge.
कि अरे बाबा वो
And now the
देखना
problem
पड़ेगा
was like I
बगाला
took a
लगना
challenge
वाला
for 1
I
year
want
that
a
I will be
reference
doing
without reference
this
how can I
21
draw
kilometers in
how
1 year
can I
time, August
work
2018.
your
Because I
Ganesha.
never
So
ran before. So I thought
go
if I
back
don't do it, I
and
will not see
give
Narendra
2
Kodani
3
again.
big fish.
But
At the end
somewhere
it will be
he is
converted
such a
into fish
person with
curry,
whom I
right?
would like to be
Again when we
associated
go to
with.
the coloring we will ask,
So
okay,
I thought
now I don't remember you
made a
doing
mind that
something
I have to
else.
do that.
So that way in
And
crafts
that's
everywhere
when even he told me
it's a
once,
fun part.
if you're ready, a
And
teacher appears.
but yes,
So that was when my
observing
friend
means we
Jagdish
learn
photo
from the art
came
school
into
that
Facebook where
observation
he's
and
running a 42-kilometer
imitation,
marathon.
right?
And I was
Observation
so
and
impressed. I called him immediately and asked him,
utilization that
Jagu, how did you
observation
do it?
into real work.
So he told me,
So
Gio,
that
join a group.
crafts
We
was
will help you out.
involved and
That's how I found
evolved,
a group called
right?
PCMC Runners
So and it
in
helps
our
me
area.
in my
Highly
further
motivating.
study also.
What to
But
say? Most of the
after joining
positive
art
people
school,
are there. Ever smiling people,
in
ever
applied
helping
art,
people.
this
So I
comes
joined that
it's
group.
not that useful.
And
So
I started
almost
training with them. So they
20
have a schedule.
years after that,
Monday,
I
Tuesday,
stopped
Wednesday,
working with the
Thursday,
clay.
Friday. They have a
I was
schedule. We
busy
just
with
have
my
to follow the schedule,
schedule,
and it's totally
and
free of cost.
after 20
All
till
we
20,
require is a pair
I
of boot shoe,
nothing
that's all.
in that.
So I joined this
like,
group and I started
clay work.
practicing with them, and I
So,
understood one thing: why I could not run earlier.
in
It was because
2010,
they
when
taught me
everything
how
was
to do the
settled
warm
down,
up they taught me how to do the
I
pull
thought,
down exercise, which
what
I
I'm
never
doing,
used to do earlier.
it's not my passion.
And
I'm doing for
by
everything is I'm
December
doing for my
2017
running
itself,
my
I finished my first
life.
half marathon,
But
that also in less
I'm not
than 2
fulfilling my
hours. So that
soul's
was
best.
the
So
best
I
period
started
for me.
painting
And I
initially because I'm
immediately
very good in
messaged to Naren sir,
painting.
I have completed my
I've done a lot
challenge.
of
So now
copy
it
work
was a
of
part of
recent
challenge
painting.
till that
So
moment.
then
But then I
also
started
in
enjoying
one
it.
studio, I was
Enjoying meeting these friends
gone
early
there,
morning, getting
and
up
one
at
of
5
the
o'clock
head of the
was a
department, he
challenge for
saw
me.
me,
Now
and
it's like
there
it's an
were a
habit
clay.
for
I
me.
took the
If I
clay
don't
and
get
I
up at 5
started
o'clock, I
doing
feel
some
something bad.
clay work, and they
And
suggested me,
that's
Mahesh,
how
It's
the
nice to
passion
know
part
that you
came into
could
picture.
start after so many
And in
years all over
2019,
again.
I did
Yes.
my
yes,
first
yes,
full
yes.
marathon of
Lovely.
42
Actually,
kilometers,
so
that
to
also in less
break
than 4
point for
hours.
the turning towards the
This
clay.
year,
Nice,
February,
nice.
I did my
So
first
that just
ultra
shows
marathon
the
of
kind of
50
effort that
kilometers
Mahesh put into
in
all
5
his
hours
formative
time.
years.
So
And after all
yes,
this, we
passion
have
has
some lovely pictures that Mahesh
give
is
me a
going to show
lot,
to
has
us.
changed a lot.
आणि
My
गिरीश
health
तुम्ही
has improved
विचारला
a
आहे
lot.
मराठीतलं सो
Like I said, I
ऑफकोर्स
used to
काही
have
गोष्टी ज्या मी
antibiotics.
दाखवणार आहेत त्याला कदाचित
This is my
भाषेची
photo
गरजच
earlier
पडणार
and now.
नाही. We have some
Right,
lovely
I'm
pictures
47
coming up
years
for
old right
Mahesh.
now.
If we can please have
Right,
those
so
there.
feels
He's going
good
to
when
explain
at
those
this
to us.
stage if you are healthy and fit.
Yes.
So
See,
this
हे
is how
माझं एक
my
work आहे.
passion
This
has
work
taken over.
is especially
Lot of things I have
into, this
learned
is a plate, you
during
can
this
say, it's
time.
a two-dimensional
And
plate. And I am
Lovely.
always fascinated by
Lovely. Thank you so much.
archaeological
Wow,
work,
that was some
like
photograph.
found work,
I
old
hope a lot
work,
of people do take
whatever
that inspiration
doing,
from you, of course.
work is done
You
in
may also know
caves
that
or
sometimes people
2000 years
feel
back or
that
3000
running
years,
is
5000
not
years
all
back.
that
So this
difficult.
is,
But
you
at the
can see
same time, we
minutely,
also know
it's
that though
a
people like
group of
participating in
animals, they are running
marathons,
here and there.
no,
and
not everybody
so,
is able to
that picture
complete
is
them
captured,
for
but
whatever
this is not a
reasons.
painted. This is
What we
a
wanted to
use
tell
of
our
two
audience is, what
different
are the
clay.
right
One is
techniques for all these
terracotta
things for
and
running?
one is
How do you prepare yourself
what is
before
that?
the run? And
Ceramics.
what all do
I
you
have
need
this
during the
actual
run?
work with me.
It's nice if we can share this with our audience.
yeah,
Very
It's
very
a
true.
very sensitive, very
See, when
lovely
I
work.
joined
And
PCMC runners,
it's
there
not
were many
painted.
elite runners.
I
There
have
were
given
good
2
trainers
layers
in
and I
that. There were
scratch
good
it.
strength
See,
training trainers, yoga
scratching
teachers,
and getting
and
that
everyone
forms
has
is a
taught me
really,
certain
really
things. Like when a yoga
peaceful.
teacher told me,
This
always
thing
keep
you
your chest
involved in such a
up.
way.
Right, you should
So
be
you can
always your chest
imagine
should be
how
on the
the
ऐसा होना
prehistoric
चाहिए,
man or
right? Your foot landing
Neolithic
should be
man,
this. So I
how they
started
carve,
learning
how
all these
they
small
use,
techniques.
and I
So what I
enjoy
would
that feelings
recommend is like
because
people should join a
whatever
group,
I do,
learn
I
about it,
just
then they can run alone.
transform. I went
Right,
means
and
with where my mind
especially
I
marathons
travel
are
there,
something where
and I try
the
to get that
practice what I
feeling.
have done over a
So
period of time.
this is
I
a
need
small
to check
tiny work.
whether I'm doing
Yes,
good
this
in
is Indra.
marathons, because marathon is a place
Again,
where you find
I
all the
always fascinated,
people coming together,
impressed
running
by
together, and
Indian
you're challenging yourself.
sculptures
Right.
mainly because
So
it has
what
got
I do
a
basically
different
is get up
language
at 5
altogether.
o'clock. If there is a marathon, I get up at 5 around 3:30, 4 o'clock. Right. I have a bath. Right. I have some carbohydrates because I need that energy. I drink a lot of water.
Okay,
Right.
you just give it a
When
minute.
I go there, I
think
do
there's
my
Present language.
training,
Yes,
stretching
there's a
part.
slight lag there.
Right. And
Yes,
then when
Mahesh,
I
you're back.
run,
Yes, please.
Okay.
I see to it
So
my
it's
foot
a
landing,
different
my breathing
language.
techniques,
See,
what I have been
this is
taught.
Indra,
Right.
and
What I do is like
I'm
I
showing
catch
that
a guy
it's
who's
a
better than me.
sculpture. Take
Right.
out from
And
the
if I cross him,
after
then I catch the
2000 years
second
or
guy who's
1000
better
years,
than me.
and that is
So
get
this
erode.
way,
So
what I do is I
again
finish my marathon,
that
and always I
story, because
challenge myself.
every
You
work,
know, I
every
need to improve
sculpture,
myself
every
in
artwork
that
it
point of
has
view.
a story.
And
So this is
when I
Indra
should have the
showing that
drinks, when should
it's a
I
god
should
of
have the
king,
carbohydrates in between.
king
So
of
everything is
god.
planned
So that
accordingly.
richness
So if
and
I want to
everything
run a
there,
full
but still
marathon,
it's get
my team
erode.
gives
So
me a
नेचर किसको भी
list of
छोड़ता
things
नहीं,
which I need to do
everywhere
before the marathon.
नेचर एक अपना काम कर देता है.
Right. So anyone who
This is
wants
again
to
one
come into a
portrait.
marathon or
I
into
have I think I
want
have
to
done another
start
portrait
running, they
that is
should
again
join a group first,
because that
learn
is
about it,
Mesopotamian
right, and then
girlfriend.
they should do it.
In my mind,
Wonderful.
again. That
Thank you
is,
so much, Gio.
I
To the
travel
audience, in case there are any kind of
what type
questions
of people
that you
were
want to
there, how
ask
they
Gio,
work, how they.
please put
So
them in the
these are
Q&A
the
box and he
characters,
can answer some
persona
of
of
them
that people,
in the latter part
and
of
I'm
the episode.
reflecting that.
Thank you,
And
Gio.
again,
And to
that
the
is a
audience,
concept
just the way
of the
Gio is answering
old ancient
some or
work.
sharing some unknown
this is
facets of
Nartika,
running,
some part of
we are going to
the,
also ask our
sculpture
audience,
is-
how
is,
much do they know
defrosted,
about this
right?
running passion?
So, but
So
still,
let's get
it's
ready
carry
for
that
something
beauty.
called the
We
Glyphs
need
quiz.
not to have
To the
entire
audience
image.
here on
Even a
Zoom
small
and on
part of the
Facebook,
Indian sculpture
I'm going to
will
be
give
asking you
same
some
pleasure,
questions about
same
running
intensity
and runners.
of work.
We would like you
I
to put
believe in
your
that.
answers in
So
the
I
chat box
I don't want,
on
I don't
Zoom and
require
also
in
on Facebook. So let me
six
tell
feet
you.
sculpture.
The first
Even
question,
one
like we
hand
know
can
that running
show,
is
one
nothing to
hand
do with
can
age.
tell your
To
story,
the
that story,
audience,
that
I want you to
artist,
tell
how
me
he was
the names of
performed.
2 runners.
That
One
is
who
such a
holds the
beautiful
record
thought.
of
Like
the
he said,
youngest
we don't
marathoner,
need the entire
and
6
the
feet or
other one
anything. Even a
is the
Yes.
small
oldest
thing can
marathoner.
show how
What
strong
are
the
their
artist is.
names?
Yes,
Both of them, of course, are of
singer also
Indian
can
origin.
tell the entire story.
Yes,
Beautifully
can we
said.
have
Thank
some
you so
answers in
much
the
for
chat
that,
box?
Mahesh.
The
And
youngest
to the audience,
marathoner
just the way
and the
Mahesh
oldest
has
marathoner.
shown us
What
some
are their
beautiful
names?
sculptures. We're also going to look into the world
If you're
of
taking
the
so much time,
amazing
it's
and yet
probably means you're
unknown
trying to Google
facts
the
of
answer.
this amazing
Come on, you can
art.
definitely.
It's time for something
Not
which we
Milind,
call the
someone
Glyphs
definitely
quiz.
not Apurva.
We shall be asking
need
you
some
questions
answers
over
here.
here, and we would love the
The
audience
youngest
on
one
Zoom
started at
and
the
on
age
Facebook
of
to
3.
please put your answers
Is
in the
yes,
chat box.
Reena, that
So
is right.
let's
His
get ready
name
for the
was
quiz.
Budhia
The first
Singh,
question of
a
the
kid
day.
who started at the age
Which
of 3.
city in
He was
India
able to finish
is known as the
48
ceramic city?
marathons by the time he turned
Which
5.
is known as the ceramic
And
city
the
in
oldest one
India?
also, Reena, that
Please
is
put
right.
your answers
Baba
in the
Khwaja
chat
Singh, as they
box
called him.
and
Yes.
remember to select panelists
He
and
was
attendees
100
so that
years
everyone can
when
see
he
your answers.
participated in the Toronto
All
Waterfront
right,
Marathon,
can we have the
which
answers
was
here?
held in Canada.
I'm
So
going to
like
give you
we
a
say,
hint.
age does not
It's
matter.
a place in the state of
All right,
Uttar
the
Pradesh.
second one. The runner
Which
that I'm talking
city is
about
it?
here,
Which is known as the
his
ceramic
career
city?
began
Yes,
because
Mrinalini,
of
that
a
is
bet
right.
with his
Khurja, it
best
is.
friend.
It is in the
They
state of Uttar
mutually decided
Pradesh.
to run to
And
prove
because it
who was
supplies a
faster
large
between them,
portion of the
and the winner
ceramics
got
which are
free
used in our
lunch.
country, that's
Also,
why the city
interestingly,
has got the name
his
of
winner's
ceramic
style
city.
of running is
All right,
a little
moving on
asymmetrical
to the
because
second
his
question.
left leg
Which is the first
slightly longer than
known
his right leg.
sculpture of
Who
the
am I
Indian
talking about?
subcontinent? The
He's a
first
world-class
known
runner. If I give you
sculpture,
another
I'm going to give
hint,
you a
you're
hint.
probably going to know
It is a
the
metal
answer
sculpture.
immediately.
And
He is
the
a
second one, if I
Jamaican
tell you, you're
runner.
going to know
Who am I
immediately.
talking about?
It's from the Indus Valley
With
civilization.
this hint,
Which is
definitely
this
we should have some
sculpture, which
answer
is
there.
known to be one of the oldest and the
No,
first
it's
known
not
sculptures.
Michael Johnson.
Okay,
He's
I'm going to
from
give this one
Jamaica. Yes, that
Mohenjo-daro.
is right.
Yes, it's my
Akshay,
mother
yes, of
goddess.
course.
It's
And
the
we have
famous
Apurva
bronze
Anthony. That
dancing
is
girl.
right.
I'm going to show
It
you
is
the
Usain
picture of
Bolt,
the
the
sculpture,
Jamaican man.
which they say is
Lightning
from the
Bolt,
Indus
as he
Valley
is called. In
civilization.
fact, there's a very
That's the
interesting piece
picture
of
on your
trivia.
screen there.
It is
Okay,
said that his
moving on to
coach
the third question.
wouldn't show the
Now you can
results of
see
the
an
stopwatch
image,
to
all of
Usain
you.
after his practice
So
session
Alfie
because he
Bradley
thought
is the
that if he
person
showed
from
it
the
to him,
UK
the
who
success
has
would go to his
created
head.
this
That's the
structure.
kind of passion that
The
he
structure
had.
is
All
about
right. Moving to the
27
last
feet
question.
in height.
We
Can
do
we
know
have the
that when
picture on the
someone is
screen,
about
please?
passionate about running, nothing
This
stops them.
structure, which you can see
Not
here,
even losing a
travels
leg.
around the UK
One such person
and
who
it
lost
talks
his right
about
leg during the
non-violence.
Kargil conflict.
It propagates
However,
non-violence. My
after
question
10
is,
long and
what is
painful
this
years,
structure made
a
up of?
blade was fitted to his
As you can
amputated
see
leg.
there, what do you
And
think
since
has
then,
been
he has
used
participated
to
in
make
almost
this
every
structure
edition
by
of the
Alfie
Delhi
Bradley?
Half
It's in
Marathon.
the UK.
Who am I talking about? What is his
You can
name?
definitely zoom in and check
Like I
what
said, it
can
was
you
during
see
the
on this
Kargil
structure.
conflict. So he was in the army.
I know it's a difficult one.
Who am I talking
I'm
about?
going to give this one to you. This
Truly an
entire
inspiration, I
structure
should say,
has
for a lot
been
of
made
people.
out of knives. Yes, we have an answer.
I know that's not a
Asha,
very
yes,
easy
that's
one.
the
It's
answer.
not Devendra
It's been
Patil,
made out of
Shalini. That's,
knives.
no, it's not
There
Devendra.
are
Yes,
phenomenal
yes, I'm right. I'm sorry,
black
Tejashri and
knives
Shalini.
that has
It
been
is
used
Major
to
Devendra
create
Pal
this
Singh,
structure.
Major
In
DP
fact,
Singh, as he was
Alfie is
called.
also
He
known as the
also
knife
clocked a
angel.
commendable
He's persuaded
2
hundreds
hours,
of
40
criminals
minutes
to
at
give
one
up
such event.
violence,
And
to
like
give
I
up their
said, he
knives.
continues to be an
And these
inspiration
knives
to the
have been used
athletes
to
of our
create this
country.
structure.
Major
Okay,
Devendra
that's
Pal
what you
it
can
is.
see on
Thank
your
you
screen.
so much to the
All right,
audience
and now
for all
moving
your
back to
shares and
Mahesh.
all your quick
Mahesh,
answers.
we do know that
And
different
back to you,
materials
Gio.
can be used for
I'm now going
sculpting.
to ask
And
you
we
a
do
very
know that
tricky
you also
question,
use
okay?
a lot of
I
different
know your
materials,
wife is listening here,
but we
yes,
would want to know which are the
we
ones
have
you
heard
use
that a
and
lot of
why is
people
it
take up
that
running
you prefer
because
ceramics
it
over
gets
all
them
the
a lot
others.
of
We'd love you to share
fan
this with our
following, as we
audience.
call it, okay? If I may say
Basically,
Now what I want
when you
to
start
ask you
our
is
work,
also, we know
we
that some
always,
passionate
stick
people
to
like you,
our
for you,
demand of
running
the
becomes your
object or
first wife
demand
or
of the
your
work,
first love.
because we just
And I also know for a fact
don't
that your
choose
wife
any
is not
material
really
for
happy with
material
this.
sake. We
How
what is the
true
demand
is
of
this,
that
Joe?
sculpture?
We would love to know.
So I started
You know,
with
the first
yes, I
two
started with
answer which
metal.
my wife
Then I
gave, you
used
know,
some other material
she
also.
Googled it.
But these are basic materials:
And
metal,
regarding that
wood, or
first
stone.
wife,
Right?
Reena is my
So
first wife.
stone.
After
it
that,
was
running
out
would
of
come because she's there in the
this
show
thing
right now.
much
in
here,
Mumbai.
yes.
If you want, yeah,
Uh,
Mumbai. Then
yes, there are
when I
plus
was
point
searching
of
for the material,
joining a group. Basically,
being
there
a
are good
Potter's
crowd,
family, the
positive
clay
crowd.
is it's a
I
very close
actually
to
made a
me.
mistake of
It's a
putting all these
lot
photos
of potential
whenever we run.
for the
We
creativity,
take
and
selfies and we
clay
post
has
it on
a
Facebook.
meditative
And it so happened, my wife's
effects also. I'm
friends
not
basically
talking
they
about
started
touching
asking,
that
why is Joe
area,
getting
but
at
yes,
5 o'clock?
if you take
Right?
a
Is there
wet
any
clay
issue with
and put your
Geo? कोई
fingers
लफड़ा
or
तो
hand
नहीं
into
है?
that,
You know, these are the
immediately you
things.
will cool
I think
down.
this happens
See,
with
I
every
got a
runner,
goosebump here now.
right?
So that sort of
It was a
that
very
sort
tricky
of
situation for me,
feeling
and
clay
ठीक
gives.
है,
And
anyway. And when I go
and
down, there are
again,
a lot of old ladies
what
standing there,
subject
and
I
they
am.
would say,
See,
अरे याला
clay
तू काय
gives
झालंय?
entire
कसं होतं आता
limitless
कसं झालंय?
horizon
And
for you. You think
the other lady would
it will
say,
react
अरे
if
खूप
if you
पलटो तो.
have very good
Right.
relation with
And
her.
if I meet my friends,
You
and
will
they
get
would not
whatever
tell it
you
in
want.
my face, but they would say,
Right.
अरे इसको कुछ तो
And
problem है.
again,
Well,
clay
I
is
became
like
that skillet actually
and
at that
basically
time.
for
So
this
there are a lot of funny
last 2
incidents which
years,
happen.
I'm
Yes, but
exploring
then
this ancient images and
just
road
I just
subjects.
go on
So
with
for
it.
that, clay
I
is
enjoy every
definitely
moment of
giving
it.
me whatever result I want
So have
exactly,
you had some
because
special fan
I believe
following
in that.
who has been
You
watching you
cannot do
run most of the
everything
time?
yourself. Just leave it some for nature.
I don't
And
know because
ceramics give that
normally I run alone.
alternative.
All right, that's nice.
You,
Yes.
you do some
So
work,
we do know that
you
being an
put it
inspiration
into
to
film.
others
Sometimes
and being
it gives a
inspired by
very good
others
result, wow
is an
factor.
absolutely
Sometimes you
beautiful
have to
thing.
throw
We do know that.
just into fence.
And we
So
have heard
that is
from
the
a lot
fun
of
of
our
the
friends
ceramics or
that you
terracotta or clay,
inspire
whenever
others
you
in a
get
very
firing.
unique
So
way.
literally,
You have a wager
sometimes
with
get
them,
amazing
and
results.
you
Sometimes you have
also
to
do get
so that
inspired
chances
by
are
the
also that
interaction
I'm
of the
open to that.
crowds who come to
Because
watch you run. It's a beautiful
that's the fun of the
relationship that
clay.
a runner
So
has with the
playing with
people
the
who are
clay,
watching him.
it's
So
main
we actually want you to
motive
share
of
how
the
is this
my work.
amazing
But
give and
okay,
take of
whatever
motivation
out of
and
that, playing with
inspiration.
the clay,
How has this
whatever
been for you?
sculptures or what
See,
puts come
this
is the
passion has
byproduct.
really helped me out.
Right?
So whatever
It
I
is
have
not
learned,
better than that
what I'm
pleasure
saying is
what
I should pass
clay
it on to
give me.
more and more people.
Beautiful.
More and more people
Yes,
should come
absolutely.
into running,
Very well said.
jogging,
I
yoga,
think
whatever
it's the end
exercise
product
what
that
they can do.
matters.
At least give
Yes,
one
that
1.5
process
hours
is
every
very
day
important.
is what I
Important
feel. Because
than
see,
your
my
product.
heart,
Such
my
a beautiful
lungs, my
feeling.
kidney,
In fact,
they
I
say
think
thank
you've
you to
also
me
said
because
that
my
in spite of
lungs
all
get
this, you can
proper
never
oxygen,
repeat the
which
same
normally
structures,
see we
right?
don't breathe
That is
properly.
True.
yes.
Because
Right, and running
I'm
helps you breathe properly.
passionate
Second
sculptor,
thing is
so I
meditation.
don't
People see
work for
when I
my
run for
bread
1 to
and
2
butter. Right?
hours. Basically, it's a
I do
meditation for
here
me. It's a me
in
time for me.
advertising everywhere.
Right,
Every
where
time
I
we
don't
have to
think anything
sacrifice
else.
with our budget, our
Right, my
liking,
stomach
our
may
color
cramp, my
scheme,
leg may
everywhere.
cramp, but I
But
have to
here
finish
I
the
don't
race.
listen anything. I
Right,
just
it's a
listen to my
total
heart. What I want to
meditation
do,
for
just
me.
I want to.
So
That's
what
so
during these COVID times, what I
that's the
did
fun
was like I
of
motivated few of my
I'm
society members,
enjoying as a
and
sculptor.
then we started
That is
running
so
together. We
beautiful.
started doing
The
strength
very
training
fact
because
that you
we are not
enjoy
allowed
what
to
you
do
do,
in
I
in
think
a
that is
group,
the base
right?
on which
So all
passion
my
is built,
teammates
and that is the
run
base
separately,
on which
but
we
in
have
our
built this
society
channel
what I
to
did was I
showcase this kind
motivated
of
them.
passion.
Indirectly I'm
And yes,
motivating myself,
we do know, Mahesh, that
right?
sculptures
So
come in
I
so
give
many
them
different
challenges. I
forms,
give them
so
challenges.
many
So the
different
latest challenge what I
emotions
did with few
that
of
you
my
try and show through
classmates,
your sculpture.
friends,
So
is
what
like
is it that
if you
gives you
reduce your weight,
inspiration?
and I
How do
given
you choose a
them a
topic
target by
for that
December
sculpture
31st,
that
you
you
have to
want to
reduce
make
weight.
next?
And if you reduce
Again,
weight, right,
inspirations
it's
means
okay. If
artists
you're not
always
reducing weight,
take
they have to give me
inspiration from
5,000,
either from
10,000,
his
or
life
15,000 rupees
or
is the
life around
amount
him,
what I have put.
right?
I'll not
He
give
cannot
anything to
take
them,
any
but they
decisions,
have to
any
give it to me. And every day I
inspiration from
remind
the
them
sky,
कि I am
right?
winning
It
or
is
you are
everywhere.
winning
गीता
currently.
गीता में
So
जैसे बताया है
it
ना कि सब
motivates
कुछ
them
यहाँ
to
से है
at
और
least,
यहाँ
and
से लेना है,
there are
यहाँ
members who
छोड़ना है.
send me
So
messages, Gio,
same
2
applies
kilo
for the
कम हो गया है,
artist.
3 kilo कम हुआ.
Like
The day they
I will give
reduce
you
that
some
10-15
example.
kilos, 100% sure then it becomes a
When I
passion
thought
to
of
them.
taking getting
If
my
they don't see
exhibition,
that,
first exhibition
then
in
it's not a
sculpture
passion
in
for them. Then
2013,
if
I
they
booked
see that
gallery,
okay
but
मैंने 10 kilo
there were
कम
no
किया ना,
subject. But
100% sure
in
it becomes a passion,
2012,
and then
I lost my
they don't
mother,
require Geo, they will do it
and
themselves.
it was huge
So a
loss
lot
for
of,
me
see, I post it in Facebook
because
because my
in 2008, I
clients are
lost,
saying it, my
my
friends
my
are saying
father was passed.
it. Many of them
So
call me
it
up
was
and
huge
Gio, can you guide me
vacuum
up?
in my life.
Right? Then I
So I
guide
thought,
them properly. And if I
can
can show you
can
few
I,
photos
but
later on, I can.
in a
There
positive
are
manner.
photos of like
I took
fat
that
guy
as a
becoming slim,
what
and he's
was
like
the
praising
best
me every time. But I said,
moment
no,
of
it's
my
your
life
hard work
with my
basically.
mother or my
Right?
father.
I'm just
So
a
I construct
channel for it.
around 7-8
Right.
sculptures.
So my target
That
is
is
like
typical
next
Indian imaginary, the way we play
have
with
to
her,
motivate more and more
or the
people
way
to
other
come
way,
into this.
the way mother
Anything.
play
My wife is
with
listening. I
her
wish
child,
my wife
small
also
child.
joins me
So
sometimes.
that imaginary I
So this is the
captured,
right way to
and
tell her,
I
because she
then
will not listen to me.
converted it to my sculpture.
Because
It was
runners'
huge feat,
problem,
right? Just you can
this
see
is the
that
biggest problem for all
she's
runners.
flaunting with her
Wife will
child,
not listen
and
to
then
the runners basically.
some emotional
Rightly said. Absolutely. Yeah.
holding of
But
that
yeah, it's a
small
beautiful
child.
way in which
So
you do
that way,
inspire all
this
your
is
friends.
what
A lovely
the
way of
subject is come
motivating them,
from
and
my heart.
rightly so. I
And
think
that's
it
why
reminds me of a beautiful quote. It says
convert
that
into that.
running reminds you,
Mother and
even
father
in your
definitely
weakest
is a
moments,
big
that you are
support for
strong.
you, even though
Thank you. I
there
think
is
that is
your wife,
absolutely
your
what Gio
family,
has
they support
shown
you very
us.
well
So thank
every
you,
time.
Gio,
Still,
for
that
inspiring
gap
our
cannot
audience.
fulfill.
And we
Thank
do
you.
So
hope that they
that
will take up the
involved,
passion
that
just like you have,
reflection of
including
feelings
Dina. Of course, yes,
comes in my
just
work.
for that.
So
So to the audience,
again,
if anyone needs
and
any kind
artists
of
always
guidance
work
or
on
help
some
from Gio,
energy. Once
do
that
write
energy
on
is
our
exhausted,
Facebook
or you
page,
fulfill that,
Glyphs, Create, Connect,
he try to
Express,
move out from that. He
and
cannot
he shall be glad to
remain
help you
there.
out.
Right.
And
So okay,
do
that
not go
feeling
anywhere.
was
Gio is going to be
got
right
fulfilled,
back
and then
for an awesome
next
finale
exhibition,
just
or
after
then
our
I started
second guest has spoken.
stop that using
And
that
until
material,
then,
and I come
Apurva Khare, who has
clay
joined us
as
all
a
the way
ceramics.
from
I use
Vienna,
ceramics
is
material
going to
which is
share
potters
how all of
normally
you can
used for
also
the
become a part of our
tablewares,
ever
but I use
growing
for the sculpture.
channel Glyphs.
Right.
So over to
And
you,
now
Apurva.
last almost couple of
Thank you,
years,
Kavita.
I am exploring
You've just
lot
heard
of
Gio Thomas
possibilities
share about
into
how
that.
he found his passion
And
in running.
this time,
In the same
yes,
manner, all of
inspiration
us
is again
also have different passions that we love to
ancient
do. Maybe
life
singing,
or
dancing,
ancient
choreography, traveling, or even writing.
artifacts, anything
GFCCE is a
related
channel
to
that provides you a
not
platform to take
this
this passion of yours
belongs
across
to
the globe.
this time of
We
this, not
currently
a
have a
contemporary.
viewership in over
How
37
nice, no?
countries across
Thank you
the
so
globe.
much, Mahesh. Like he always
If you
says,
wish
his
to talk about
creations
or
are a
perform
reflection
your
of his
passion, get in
mindset,
touch
which I
with
think
us.
is true with most
Or
of the
if
artists.
you know someone who's
So
passionate
thank you
about
so much for
anything
those
different,
beautiful
anything
shares,
interesting,
Mahesh. To the
do refer them to
audience,
us.
do not go
If you know
anywhere.
someone or
Mahesh
you
is
want
going
to
to
be
be
a part of
back
the
with
bigger
a
picture
beautiful
and come on
video,
board with us
which
as
we
a
will have
production
as the
partner,
finale,
also do
just
get in
after
touch
we
with us.
talk to our
You
second
can see
guest.
the phone
So
number
just
and
hold
email
on
ID
and
on the
we'll be
screen
right
right
back.
now.
And until
So
then,
join us on
over
the
to
GFCCE
Malvika, who is
channel,
going to tell
the
you
place
how
where
you
every
can
passion finds a
also
home.
become a part of
Before I
our
hand over to our
ever-growing
host,
channel
let me take this
Glyphs. So
opportunity
over
to
to you,
thank her
Malvika.
as well. Kavita Avasti, a fashion designer
Thank you,
who
Kavita.
owns and runs her
Hello,
own
everyone.
boutique
I'm
Poshak
sure
for the
the
past
episode
26 years.
is going
She's
really,
also
really
a
well,
mentor at
but I'll just
Vyasra
take 2
and a
minutes
senior
of
director
your
consultant
time.
at BNI
My
Pune
name is
Invest.
Malvika
Thank you,
Dixit, and
Kavita,
I'm from
and
Pune,
over to you.
and my passion is
Thank you,
singing.
Apurva.
I
Thank
am
you
a
again
part
for
of
all
the
your
Glyphs
shares.
community, and I'm
And
very,
to
very
the
proud
audience,
to say
welcome
that
back.
as a
And let's
community,
get ready
we have
for
reached
an
more
audio-visual
than
treat.
74 cities in
They
India,
say that
and
great
globally we have an
dancers are
expanse
not
of
great
more than
because of their
32 countries.
techniques. They are
Here we
great
get
because
to
of their
meet
passion.
so many like-minded people
Shruti
with
Salian,
different passions.
or should I
With
say,
every passion, there
Dr.
is something
Shruti Salian.
unique, something
Yes,
that
a
motivates and
dentist
inspires
with a
me
passion for
to keep
dancing.
pursuing my
A
passion as
passion
well.
which has led her to
For me,
complete her
the Glyphs
bachelor's in performing
community
arts
is an
in
amazing source of
Bharatanatyam.
happiness.
For
If
Shruti,
anyone of
dancing
you
is
is
like
yet
pure
to become a
devotion,
part of
and
Glyphs,
she
a part of
choreographs
this growing community,
purely for the
what's
happiness
stopping
it
you?
brings her.
I'm sure
She has
each one
joined
of
us
you
from
has a
Goregaon for
passion
this
of your own
evening
too,
on Glyphs.
or you may know
So let's get
someone around
ready
you
for
who
some
has a passion.
lovely performances
After
by
all,
Shruti
passion is what
on
makes
this
us unique
lovely
in our
evening.
own way.
To the
For
audience, I'm going
passion,
to be
your
asking you
passion has got you
questions
here.
before
So it's
each
time to take the
performance,
next step now.
and your
Write
answers
to us about
will
your
be the
passion on
clue
our
to the
email ID
performance.
or drop in a
So if
message
you wish to
on our
witness the
Facebook
performance,
Messenger,
you're going to have
and
to
we
give
will
me
get
these
in touch with
answers.
you. You can
So for
see
the
the
first
email
one,
ID now in
a
the
timeless
chat box.
classic from
Some of the
Navaketan
passions that
Productions.
we will be bringing to
The
you on
leading
the
actress
Glyphs
loved the
CCE
choreography
online
of her
channel
songs
in the next
so much
coming weeks
in
are
this movie
running,
that she requested the director that
astrophotography,
they should go
classical
ahead and
guitar,
chop off her dialogues,
baking,
but they
gymnastics,
should keep
and many,
her
many,
dance
many more.
sequences intact.
As you know, we are a
One of the
global channel,
longest songs
and we
from
are
the movie.
also getting
This
applications
remains
for
the
performers
senior
to
actor's
join us
all-time
from
favorite
UK,
dance
Switzerland,
performance.
New Zealand,
Yes,
Australia,
Akshay,
and
that
Germany.
was quick. Yes,
So
the
if you
movie
know
is
someone
Guide,
who has interesting
the
things or
song, the
experiences to share
evergreen
about
and
their
the
passions,
beautiful
please
Pia
feel free
Tose
to ask
Nainalari.
them to get in touch with us.
So over to
Let
Shruti
us
for
have
the
a
first
quick poll
performance
and you
of
can
the
put in your
evening. Shruti, over
preferences
to
here
you.
as well. For all of
Thank
the
you.
Facebook viewers, you can put in your preferences in the comment section. So preference A would be, I would like to perform or talk about my
Just
passion
give
on
us a
an
minute and
episode.
she'll just start.
And preference B would be, I would like to refer a friend or relative to perform or talk. Let's have a quick poll, and I'm sure you are putting your preferences now.
पिया तो सीने ना लागे रे
Wow, it feels great to say that
जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे
perform on our episode. I would also like to thank Karan, Gayatri, and Tanushree as
पिया तो
founders of
से
Clips for creating this wonderful
पिया तो
platform.
सीने ना लागे रे रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गली का फेरा हो रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गली का फेरा आना मोरा सैया जब आए चमकना उस रात को जब मिलेंगे तन मन पिया तो से पिया तो से पिया तो से नैना लागे रे नैना लागे रे जाने क्या वो अब आगे रे नैना लागे रे पिया तो से नैना लागे रे आई होली आई सब रंग लाई बिन तेरे होली भी ना भाए भर पिचकारी सखियों ने मारी भीगी मोरी सारी हाय हाय तन बदन पूरा कांपे धर धर धिनक दिन पिया हाँ पिया हो पिया हो पिया हो पिया तो से नैना लागे रे जाने क्या वो अब आगे रे नैना लागे रे पिया तो से नैना लागे रे
Beautiful. What a lovely performance, what a lovely song, Guide and Priya Kapoor. The perfect way to start the evening. So audience, get ready for the next question. Asha Bhosle and Rekha. What a combination. This song was one amongst the many that won Asha Bhosle a Filmfare Award and it won Rekha the National Award for the Best Actress. This movie brought to the silver screen the character of a classical courtesan from Lucknow and is based on a movie by the same name. Yes, Akshay, you are right again. We are talking about the classical and beautiful movie Umrao Jan, the beautiful Rekha, In Aankhon Ki Masti Mein. Shruti, over to you again. someone rightly said, your expressions are beautiful, Shruti. And you should know, and our audience here on Zoom also for you, there are some beautiful comments which have been put on Facebook by all the people who are watching Shruti right now. And Shruti, for you, there is one of the persons from our audience, Shailendra, who has put in a comment that he would love his mother to learn choreography from you. Such a beautiful comment. Thank you, Shailendra, for all your inspiration, for
I
all your
think
comments.
everybody is probably
All
giving
right,
a
moving
standing
to the
ovation
next
for this
one.
one. I can
Up
almost
next
see the
is a
audience standing
perfect
up and clapping for
example
you.
of
Such a
Pallavi
brilliant performance.
with
Thank you
music
so
by
much
the
for that.
legendary
Thank you so much,
duo
Sandeep.
Ajay Atul.
Moving on to the second
This
performance.
song is sung by
Teesri
Bela
Manzil,
Shende and
one of
Ajay
the
Atul.
first breakthroughs
Pulwa
of
Kamkar,
R.D. Burman's career.
won the
India
Veer
Times
Shantaram
movie has
Best
ranked this movie
Choreography
amongst the
Award
top
for this song.
25 must-see
The movie
Bollywood
which
films.
has this song, it
Notably
grossed
for
a
its
super
extremely
70
foot-tapping
million
music
in the
and songs,
first 3
which
weeks
remain
of
popular
its run,
even today.
which outperformed
Coming
all
up
the other
is the
Marathi
next
movies
rock and
both
roll
in
number
box
from this
office
movie,
and
Aja Aja Main
critical
Hu Pyar
acclaim.
Tera. Over to you, Sandeep.
Of course, Apurva, yes, starring Atul Kulkarni and Sonali Kulkarni and directed by debutant Ravi Zara. The movie I'm talking about is Nata Samrat. It's not Natarang, it's Nata Samrat. Yes, it is Apsara Ali. So over to you, Shruti, for this lovely line.
Thank you.
lovely. And yes, apologies to the audience. It is Nataranga. Of course, I said Nataranga. I'm sorry about that. So you see the beautiful way in which Shruti has put in her own flavors into each style of choreography. Moving on to the last and the next performance. This actress has a degree in microbiology. She did her first film when she was just 17 years old. She has been nominated for Filmfare Awards 14 times, out of which she has won it 4 times as the Best Actress. Of course, she is absolutely known for her dancing skills, and now she has launched her very own virtual dance school. Who am I talking about? Obvious, yes, of course, Apurva. It's very obvious. Sachin and
All of
Apurva.
us could
It is
imagine
the
the
dancing diva,
legendary Shami Kapoor
Madhuri
ji in
Dixit.
this. This
Who
is
else?
absolutely
She
fabulous.
also happens
Thank
to
you so
be
much.
Shruti's
And while
dancing
Sandeep
idol.
catches his breath again,
Coming up
to
next
all the audience,
is a medley
let's
of
get ready
dances
for the Glyphs
by
quiz
Madhuri
again
Dixit,
about the saxophone
beautifully
this time.
recreated.
So
by
get
Shruti.
ready to answer my
So for this
questions.
last one, Shruti,
We all do
over to
know
you.
that the saxophone is a popular jazz instrument. My question is that initially, before it became a jazz instrument, it used to be played for another purpose. What was it used for? Before it became a jazz instrument, it was played somewhere else. What purpose was it played for?
साहेबान कदरदान मेहरबान दिल थाम के बैठिए क्योंकि अब आपके सामने तशरीफ ला रही हैं आगरा की अजीम फनकारा मलिका हुस्न नूर नजर मोहतरमा मोहिनी
मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे जो गिरा था बरेली के बाजार में मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई बोली घूम कर बता दे के मैं आ गई मुझको लगा के नच ले मेरी यार तू नच ले छनक छनक छनकार हो नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले अब तो लौटा है बार बार
And she will be there. Girish comes up with the answer. Nalini says she has no idea. Okay, they just
पायलिया पायलिया
the fusion,
गंगना 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 झुमका 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 पायलिया पायलिया छनक छनक के बोले छनक छनक के बोले ओ बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे गाल पे काला काला
for this beautiful instrument. That means something.
बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल दिल पे अटक जाए आशिकों का दिल जरा बटके रहना चलिए जरा बटके रहना चलिए मेरी अदा भी है कातिल बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे काल पे है काला काला दिल बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल दिल पे अटक जाए आशिकों का दिल बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे गालों पे है काला काला दिल
What is a better way of having the last performance? Absolutely. So, to the audience, you should know that in spite of the lockdown and in spite of being at home, Shruti did not stop her passion of choreography at all. She continued to do it. She coached students and she has people from Australia and from Italy who she has been choreographing things for all through the lockdown. So, Shruti, what would you like to share about that?
Hi, thank you so much for giving me this platform, first of all. Like we had a word before, I never thought that during the lockdown I would be able to teach or perform, because for dance as per se, you really need to be present. And all the work that we've done, me, my team, whatever, we've always been there physically present to correct things. So it really seems very difficult how could we do it online. But I think the best possible response that I got was students coming from Italy and Australia and willing to learn the Bollywood dance style, which is what I believe in, retaining the core of our tradition, wanting to preserve that culture, because these days everyone is learning a Western dance style and a lot of Indian dance style is losing its popularity. So that was a great opportunity. Now, like when I see one of the Italian girls dancing on Bollywood dance numbers, I don't think there's any other gift as an artist you can get. It's just amazing.
Okay. Thank you so much for your lovely shares. And to the audience, wait, there's more to come. As I promised, here comes our fantastic finale. A video which has been created during Jio's run and a video created by Shruti of her dance performance from the title track of the movie Tal, presenting our signature style, the Glyphs Jugalbandi. Here we go. An evening in Paris.
Released in 1967, produced and directed by Shakti
Such a
Samanta.
beautiful thing. Truly
Fine
a
acting,
mesmerizing
beautiful
end
locations,
to a beautiful
and haunting
evening.
music. By
Thank
the
you,
ace
thank
music
you to
directors
both of
Shankar
you
Jaikishan,
for
of
this
course,
lovely shares
made this
both-
movie
from
a
all of you.
big hit.
Thank you to
Presenting
Rahul Avasthi
the
and
title
Arshit
track of
Sapekar
this movie,
for
An
introducing
Evening
Gio
in Paris.
Thomas and Shruti Salyan on this episode of Glimpse. So, on behalf of our audience and Team Glimpse, heartfelt thanks to our guests Gio and Shruti for joining us on our channel today.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Kavita. It was a great bliss.
Absolutely. Such a pleasure seeing both of you. Of course, we do thank our ever-efficient back-end team, Aniruddha, our technical head, Ankita and Mangesh from DW Place Solutions, Himangi, Apurva, Arshay, Ninad and Aishwarya for all their efforts in preparing every episode flawlessly. Of course, special thanks to our founders, Salil, Tanushri and Gayatri for creating this awesome channel. And last but not the least, our supportive audience from India and across the globe for watching, supporting and encouraging us in all our episodes. I am your host Kavita Avasthi signing off for today. My team and I shall be waiting to see you on our next episode where we introduce you to two new passions, a DJ and a person who has the passion of writing his songs and has his own rock band. So see you on Thursday at 7 o'clock and until then, stay safe, have lots of more ducks and do take very good care of yourself. Good night and have a lovely week ahead. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Again to our audience, in case you do have any questions, please put in the chat box if you want to come backstage and interact with our audience. We shall get you there and you can talk to them. So again, good night, take care and see you very soon.